3x3 New Normal Basketball League, tatluhan na! PBL 3x3 New Normal Basketball League, tatluhan na! PBL 3x3 New Normal Basketball League, tatluhan na! 3x3 New Normal Basketball League, tatluhan na!
Lumalamig simoy ng
BBL 3x3 New Normal Basketball League, tatluhan na! BBL 3x3 New Normal Basketball League, tatluhan na! 3x3 New Normal Basketball League. Tatluhan na!
So Kylie, pink color, Kylie B, blue. Let's begin the game. So let's start and call on our team, Kylie B. Kylie, dito na kayo. Let's give her on. Palapakan po natin Kylie A and Kylie B for third. So once again, we're live and welcome live here at the Tri-Shot. Let's enjoy. And both team are ready. All right. Who's ball rep? Ball possession. Blue. Violet. So ladies and gentlemen, battle for third, women category. Let's begin the game. Good luck.
Hello. Marquis ay Nanggana. Si Say Nanggana. Violet.
Si Sir Violet dyan. Kylie.
Dahil magpangon man dyan, magtugag-gadap na lang ito sa side na niyo. Adi o.
Two points. Kylie. A. Home. So. 1 point. Two, 1. Five to shoot.
Halat at pag-dead ball.
Oh, ang ikaw. Patanggal lang po ang ikaw.
Pwede ang visitor ko, ang pink.
One point. Violet. 5 to shoot.
Kulay ni Ako. Hello po.
5 to shoot. Five to shoot. Point. 3-2. Violet. 5 to shoot. Five to shoot. Deadlock. Clear. Not clear, not clear. Five to shoot. Basket, change favor. 3-4. Oh, may foul. First team foul. Time out. Violet. Oh, playtime.
Bakit mabasa ang ano dyan naman mag-iina sa luwas? Bakit mabasa? Yan. Mainit sa ngayon.
Deadlock. 5-4. Pink. Double dribble. Two. 7-4. Pink. Five to shoot. Pink. 8 Unit 4. Five to shoot. Basket. For 9. Five-second shot clock. Five to shoot.
Shot clock pa din. Shot clock pa din.
Foul Violet. Eleven, 4, 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Clear. Five to shoot. Basket. 5-11. Foul.
Team fouls. Violet.
Last 2 minutes. Point 12-5. $57 seconds. 50 seconds. Five to shoot. $35 seconds. Five seconds, shot clock. $20 seconds, 5 to shoot. $10 seconds. Five. Winner. Kylie B. Next game, Astig versus Waterborne.
Battle for third. Sige na. Battle for third man. Sige na. Talaga. Man. Sige na.
All right, so let's give a round of applause to our third runner-up, Team Kylie B. Tama ba, Inday? Team Kylie B. Parehas pala yung Kylie. So, let's give a round of applause. You will receive a limited edition trophy from Crazy Cat. Pinagpaguran namin itong ukitin. Okay, so congratulations. What do you want to say to your team?
Well done, guys.
At syempre sa nag-sponsor ng team nyo, si Kylie.
Thank you, Kylie. Sa pag-sponsor sa team namin. The best, counselor.
Nagpatalo ba kayo o tinalo na talaga?
Tinalo talaga.
Kylie, dito ka na. I'm gonna giving you this chance to give the award. Palapakan po natin, third runner-up. Kylie, what do you want to say? Ano gusto mo sabihin sa team nyo at tinalo kayo?
Actually, parehas lang naman Team Kylie. So, yan. Congrats to both teams, lalo na sa kanila.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up, women category. Congratulations. Next game, battle for third, Astig Shop versus Waterborne. Sir. So dapat we'll make a decision, Inday, kasi wala pa yung player. Paps, kasi wala pa kayong, asan yung player nyo? So panalo na. I-consider ba natin nag-winner na yung Astig Shop? Kasi dapat nagsunod kayo sa oras. Kayo, sir. Wala kasi kami magagawa kasi limited lang yung oras natin dito. Okay lang ba? Bigyan ko kayo ng at least 3 minutes warm up. Pops, warm up kayo. Sige na, mag-warm up kayo. 3 minutes lang. Warm up kayo. Tingnan natin kung dumating. Okay, ready na ba yung chick magnet sa kakabungog? Ready na ba? Chick magnet. Coach Tupi. Coach Tupi, pwede bang kayo muna kasi sayang ng oras? Naka-live tayo, wag nating i-delay yung live. Nakakaya sa mga nanonood. Coach Tupi. Kabungog saka... Ano kalaban? Okay, chick magnet, kabungog, kayo na muna po. Kasi naka-live tayo. Paps, ready na kayo? Let's play. Paps, sige. Kabungog muna siguro. Antayin niyo yung player nyo. Chick magnet, kabungog.
BBL 3x3 New Normal Basketball League tatluhan na. BBL 3x3 New Normal Basketball League tatluhan na.
1-0 Kabungog. Oh, may foul. First team foul. Block. Iyo. 5 to shoot. Yellow. May hangover pa. Oh. Second team foul, black. Zero. Yellow ball, yellow. Mayo dyan, coach. Bawal ang coach. Number 3-0, Kabungog. To shoot. 3 seconds violation. To shoot. Two. 5. Oh. First team foul. To shoot. Third team fouls. Third team fouls. To shoot. Five 1. Five seconds shot clock. 6-1. 6-2. 5-second shot clock. Second shot clock. Foul. Fourth team foul. Fourth team foul. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Five to shoot. Second, team foul, kang yellow. Timeout, block. Back to the ball game. Team foul. Seven-two. 3 minutes 29 seconds remaining. Nine-two. Yellow. Third team fouls. Nine-three. Ten-three. Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds shot clock. Two shots plus with jumpers. With jumpers. 2 shots with jumpers. 1 minute, 52 seconds. To shoot. 11-4. Team foul. 6 team foul. Mayong free throw. 6 sa baba. Sa baba ang foul. Mayong free throw. 1 minute, 18 seconds. To shoot. (12-5), 50 seconds. (12-6). Foul, black. Ano to? Ano to, Paul? Warning, delaying the game. 36 seconds. 36 seconds. Oo. 2. 14, 6. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 5 seconds. Shot clock. 5 seconds.
And
16-6.
And you're watching live, ladies and gentlemen, live here at the IMJ Interactive.
Already na ang 40 up. Warm up. Warm up.
Next
40
game,
up. Sunday Hoops.
Sunday Hoops versus JNPC
Enterprises.
Shout out sa mga nanonood and maraming salamat, Papa Tantan. Lahat po ng champion tatanggap ng Papa Tantan shirt at may libreng 24 hours. Totoo ba, Paps? May libre bang 24 hours?
Oh, warm up, 40 up, battle for third.
Maraming salamat sa pabilao. Palapakan po natin Chick Magnet all the way from... Saan ka galing, Paps? Papa Tantan? Maraming salamat, Chick Magnet, sa pamanok. Martin Bea. After this game, we'll be having the awarding and they will receive brand new medyas from Publico. Merong pamedyas si Andrew Zano. At papasalamatan lang po namin yung mga sponsors na alam ko nanonood ngayon. Padua dribbling the ball. Padua. Passes Sky. Sky.
5 to shoot.
Sky looking for his teammate. Now Pilios. Intercepted by number 3 to number 1. Salpico. Pars. Yes. May kasama pang foul. 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Next game, Team March versus Team DepEd. This will be the championship game for the women category.
Zero two. Five to shoot.
Sa mga kakarating lang, we are live, ladies and
5 to
gentlemen.
shoot.
Live streaming powered by IMJ Interactive.
0-3.
Maraming salamat, Ngo and Sons. Trading by Engineer Solomon Ngo.
1-3. Yellow. Foul yellow first. not clear.
Running score, 2-4. In favor of yellow.
5 seconds shot clock. Five to shoot. Yellow.
Follow this game. Please prepare yourself, Team March and Team DepEd, for the championship game
5
with
to shoot.
women category.
Clear, clear. Yellow, yellow.
Maraming salamat sa try shot, sa pagpaunlak sa amin na makapag-championship game
5
dito.
seconds to shoot. Foul, foul, yellow, foul, yellow, yellow.
Thank you so much to Boss Alvin Law. Shout out, watching right now. Nanonood ng live Inday. Maraming salamat din sa Minds That Matter. Watching live. Located at Liboton, Naga City. Minds That Matter. 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Remaining time.
Foul block, foul block. Second team foul. Seven.
Four minutes, 28 seconds. Maraming salamat, Mikoy's Pizza, sa araw-araw na pizza. Ngayon lang wala. Inday, wala mo ng pizza ngayon. Sa Christmas party na lang daw natin. Papadalan tayo ng pizza. Salamat kay Boss Karepa.
4 minutes. Oh, clear.
Rebound by Pilios. Miller for 3.
2. 4-7. 5 seconds shot clock. Shot clock. Mana. Mana. Shot clock. Time out. Nagta-time out ang yellow. Time out yellow.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. 4-7, tatlo lamang, yellow team. Once again, we are live, streaming powered by IMJ Interactive.
Hindi ito bang... Kailan mo yung tubig mo, JM? Naning, yan, naning. Thank you, JM. Nag-shoot, nag-shoot. Six, seven. Last 2 minutes. Five to shoot. Oh, deadlock.
Okay,
Deadlock.
gumaganda ang laban, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Battle for third for the 40 up.
Foul block. Third. Pigtulo, parehas. Babae na championship.
Follow this game, Team March and DepEd. Championship game, women category. Sky for 2, no good. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Fires, no good again. Rebound by Miller.
50 seconds.
51 seconds.
5 seconds shot clock.
Last 37 seconds. Tabla pa rin. Sino kaya ang lalamang? Meron na lamang tayong natitirang 32 seconds.
30 seconds.
Sky for 3. Airball.
20 seconds. Seven, 8. 2.
Miller for
James
2
Paymore.
points.
5 to shoot.
Foul.
Black foul.
Meron na lamang tayong 3 segundo. Lamang ang itim
3
ng isang
seconds.
puntos.
9-8. Black ang lamang. Sunday Hopes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our
Oh, warm
third
up.
runner-up or second
Warm up.
runner-up goes to Sunday Hoops.
Warm up.
Okay, andyan na ba si Mayor? Okay. Sunday Hoops. Sunday Hoops, dito na tayo. Mike. Johnny Pilios. Dito na kayo.
DepEd Palaban versus Team Ards.
Dito na kayo. Winner.
Sunday Hoops.
Alright. Wayne, paabot ng bag. Pops. Angels. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our city mayor, Mayor Nelson Ligacion. May request to come over here. Sunday Hoops, dito na kayo. You will receive. Kunin mo yung trophy ng 40 up. Okay, let's give a round of applause to our city mayor to give this award. Angels, dito na kayo. Hawakan niyo yung trophy. Mayor Nelson Ligacion, magandang gabi po. So thank you so much for being here. And since nandito na po kayo, you'll be given a chance to give the award for the third runner-up for the 40 up. Live po tayo ngayon, Mayor, sa IMJ. And any message po para sa lahat ng mga players at maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak ng 3x3 sa iyong approval dito sa siyudad ng Naga. Wala bang palakpakan? Mga kabola natin dyan. So, ladies and gentlemen, to give a message, our Mayor, Nelson Ligacion.
Salamat, Papa Omar. Nandito po kasama ko ang presidente ng Sangguniang Kabataan Federation, si Councilor Kylie Tripulca. Naglaro ka ba? Talo? O nagpatalo? Sige. Sa atin pong lahat, magandang gabi. Nakakatuwa na matapos ang halos 2 taon na tayo po ay nagtiis, hindi nakapaglaro ng basketball, pero ngayon pwede na dahil wala na pong COVID dito sa Naga City. At sana po ay tuloy-tuloy na ito para tuloy-tuloy din ang saya ng mga basketball players. Noong medyo bata-bata pa ako, Papa Omar, naglalaro din po ako. Kaya lang, point guard. Kaya lang naputulan po tayo ng ACL. Kaya huminto na po sa paglalaro ng basketball. Pero siyempre natutuwa kapag may nakikita na mga basketball players na naglalaro. So, sana tuloy-tuloy na at ipagpatuloy din po yung ating kasiyahan. Magandang gabi!
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Mayor, Nelson Ligacion. And of course, Honorable Kylie, do the honor, sir. Andito po yung Papa Omar's Angels to award the trophy. Bigay po natin dito sa 40 up.
Alam mo yung mga basketball players, mas gusto nila, yun na yung magbigay sa kanila nitong second runner-up, ano ito, trophy ba ito? Siyempre yung mga magagandang dilag na kasama natin. Ano? Bakong iyo? O kaya para sa Indos, hindi ang papatauhon ko.
Okay, pabor na pabor yan. So, palapakan po natin ang ating third runner-up for the 40 up BPL 3x3. So once again, Kylie and Mayor, maraming salamat sa inyong presensya. Congratulations. All right. Let's begin the game for the championship game. Women category, Team Marge versus Team DepEd. People of Naga, are you ready? Let's begin the game. tig-iisang pampatantan shirt. And from Unilever, tatanggap sila ng Rexona, Unilever products. At pipili kami ng tatanggap ng bagong-bagong bag para sa MVP Women category. Both team, good luck!
Kasi nga nung dyan sa Team Heart. Team Heart jumping. Violet ang nag-inot ng puntos, Mar.
Traveling. Foul. Second team foul, ang Violet. Zero. Second shot clock. 2. Deadlock. Baba.
Follow this game, Chick Magnet versus
Nagpiran, Mar. Ang
Foul pink.
Follow this game, Chick Magnet versus Waterborne B for the Class B division.
Deadlock. Kickball. 12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds.
whistle mo.
Time out, Team Mards.
Ay Ngoan Sans. And of course, ng PLX Naga. Hassle-free ang iyong delivery dahil ikaw ang priority. Resume the game.
Third team foul.
4 minutes and 33 seconds. Time check brought to you by Mikoy's Pizza Naga Master Franchise by Boss Carepa. You're watching live Team DepEd versus Team March, the championship game.
Double dribble. Five to shoot. Second shot clock. Har. 12 seconds violation. Shot clock.
All right, 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Time check brought to you by Pocari Sweat, our official energy drink of the 3x3 BBL.
Bawal po ang coaching. Three, six, DepEd palaban. Violet. Third team fouls. Third. Three, seven. 5 seconds shot clock. Four, seven. Foul, Violet.
1 minute and 44
Fourth
seconds.
team foul. 1 minute 44 seconds.
Time check brought to you by Ras Online by Ali Agtarab.
Depensa. Depensa. Pink ball. 1 minute, 19 seconds. Last 1 minute. 2, 6, 7.
Ang ganda ng laban. Nice pass. Alright. Sayang.
41 seconds. 41 seconds. 6, 7. 41 seconds. Pip, team foul, Camping. Seconds. 37 seconds. 37 seconds. 10. 10 to shoot. Warning, delaying the game. 35 seconds. 10 to shoot. Depensa. Violet. Violet. 23 seconds. Seconds. Pip. 6. 6 team foul kang DepEd. 15 seconds. Seconds. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. 10. 5. Winner, DepEd Palaban. Awarding na po.
MVP mo, pwede yung MVP dyan.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have our champion, the team DepEd of women category. Let's give a round of applause to Team Marge.
Next game, pwede na po mag-warm up.
Okay, so we'll be
Check
giving
magnet.
the
Water
award for the first runner-up. Marge, dito na kayo. Team Marge. Alright, I would like to acknowledge ang isa din po sa mga sumuporta kay Papa Omar, ang kabarangay ko sa Dayangdang. We have Mr. Marlon Nasol. Let's give a round of applause. So, Sir Marlon, we're giving you a chance to give this award for our women category first runner-up, Team Marge. Let's give a round of applause. Team March, dito kayo. You deserve a round of applause kasi 1 punto lang ang lamang ng ating kalaban. Alright, dito na kayo, March. Papa Omar Angels, dito na kayo. March. Ayun yung camera, lapit kayo sa akin. Okay. March, congratulations for being the first runner-up women category. Ano yung masasabi mo sa teammates mo at sa opponent nyo?
Okay lang, bawin na lang next game. At si best me.
Wala nang next game, next season.
Next season.
Okay. So, Sir Marlon, do the honor to give the first runner-up trophy sa ating women category. Sir Marlon, ikaw po ba yung naglalaro din ng basketball?
Oo.
Ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa mga players natin?
Basta ano lang. Ayun. Enjoy the game. It's not how you win or lose the game. It's how you play the game. So, laging bilog ang bola. Thank you and Happy New Year po.
Maraming salamat Sir Marlon sa suporta mo, kababayan at kabarangay natin sa Dayangdang, Marlon Azul. Maraming salamat po and once again, our first runner-up, Team March! Congrats. Okay lang yan. Picture. Thank you so much, March. Doon na kayo. And now, our champion. To give the award, may I request once again, our Mayor Nelson Legacion, and Kylie Tripolca, together with Martin Bea. They will receive the champion trophy. And from Unilever and Papa Tantan shirt, Martin. Team DepEd, magingay! Alright, dito na kayo, ma'am, sir. Dito po kayo. Martin, bigyan mo sila ng pig-iisa. Hawakan nyo muna yung trophy. Team DepEd, dito na kayo. Dito kayo. Dito kayo sa left side, oh. Dito. Sino yung coach nyo? Okay, ma'am, dito po. Ay, sir. Ano po yung masasabi pong sumali at nanalo pa yung Team DepEd?
Sa organizer pa, Omar, salamat po sa opportunity na na-showcase mi si Tibay kan si mga player ko na 2 taon ming naitago dahil sa pandemya. Salamat sa opportunity din. Good luck sa mga masunod na events mo. Masuporta kami para sa imo.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our champion for the first BBL Basketball League live here at TriSet. Mayor, bigay na po natin yung trophy sa ating champion. Maraming salamat, Mayor. And our MVP, jersey number... Our MVP for the Team DepEd, jersey number 3. Kylie, do the honor from Import Kick. Tatanggap ka ng bag. Ma'am, meron niyang t-shirt. May t-shirt yan sa loob. Dito po kayo sa gitna. Ma'am, dito ka sa gitna. Meron niyang t-shirt from Import Kick. Saludo sa mga sponsor natin. At ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa teammates mo? Halika rin dito. Okay lang yan. Halika na. Ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa teammates mo?
Salamat lang.
Palapakan po natin once again, ladies and gentlemen. Team DepEd, our champion for the women category. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood ng ating live. Magandang gabi po. Thank you so much, Mayor. At sa ating mga winners, maraming salamat.
Nagitan ko rin. Five to shoot. Oh, dua man. Parehas. Dua man. Change favor. Yellow. One point. 4-6. 5 to shoot. Yellow, foul. Third.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, follow this game will be the championship game between Mojo House and Naga City Warriors Class A. Ang inaabangan laban, Naga City Warriors and Mojo House.
To shoot. Five to shoot. Yellow ball, yellow. Time out, block.
Alright, yung may mga motor daw po sa malapit sa may gate. Pwede po bang pakitanggal muna? Kasi may mga dadaan pong sasakyan, di makalabas.
5 to shoot.
Owner ng motor sa may gate. May kukunin po si Kylie Tripolca. Malapit po sa may gate.
Team foul. Offensive. Third personal. Yellow, 4 minutes. Third. Third. Five to shoot. Time to shoot. Warning, yellow, delaying the game. 2 minutes, 48 seconds. Seven, 9. Black. Apat. Apat. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Free throw timeout. Oh, black. Oh, black. 8. 8, 9. Last 2 minutes. 5 to shoot. 5. Palima. 5. 5. 5 lang. Parehas 5. Yellow. 10-8. Anom. 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 Mayo. Up ako ang 16 foul. 1 minute 39. One minute 26 seconds. One minute. 2. 50 seconds. Pira. Parehas Anom. 48 seconds. 45. 40 seconds. Duwang balis yung balik. You have 2 shots plus, may jumpers. Duwang, 18 fouls na ang black. 18 fouls na ang black. 34 seconds. May jumpers yan, may jumpers. $30 seconds. 25 seconds. 5 seconds. Shot clock. Oh, 2 free throws with sa hindi pang bola. May ng jumper. Same ball. $17 seconds. Oh, same ball. 17. Team foul na ang black, ha? Oh, 2 free throws. Plus ball possession. 2 free throws plus ball possession. 11 seconds. Oh, same ball. 11 seconds. Shot clock is off na. Shot clock is off. 10. 5. 4. Winner. On next game.
So,
Saropag.
Chick Magnus versus Waterborne. Sino nanalo? Alright. Mamaya pa po yung championship game sa Class B. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, are you all ready to witness the championship game, Class A? Dinaga City Warriors versus Mojo Foothouse. Wala bang palakpakan? So nakikita sa live, andito po yung matatanggap ng Class A Division. Tatanggap sila ng Unilever products from Papa Tantan, from Weird Ones, at galing kay Ali Agtarap ng RAS Online, ang limited edition na D&D Ballers Clothing. Maraming salamat, LeBron James. Guys, kung sino man ang magcha-champion dito, take all. Ano mga nandito ngayon, kaya dapat ganahan kayo. Wala man tayong cash prize, pero maraming sumuporta kay Papa Omar ng mga ballers natin for the love of the game. Kaya palapakan niyo po yung mga ballers natin dito sa Bicol for giving me this opportunity. Astig Shop, maraming salamat. At may pakain din ang cheek magnet. Sige Pops, kunin mo to para makita sa live. Winner take all to Pops ng Class A Division. Tata Alfonso sa medyas. Brian Casiles sa ating Astig Shop. Ayo Joshua para sa Weird Ones. Ali Agtarap para sa BNB Bowlers. And of course, ang champion, sponsored by Roberto Sanchez, our commissioner, watching from Canada. Palapakan po natin, one of my co-commissioner, Roberto Sanchez. Pops, shout out sa iyo. So players, are you ready? SBP Bicol referees, are you ready? Let's begin our championship game. Naga City Warriors versus Mojo Foothouse. Let's begin the game. Wala bang palakpakan? Alright, so good luck both team.
To shoot. Five seconds shot clock. To shoot. Basket counts. One lang, alat. Next side. Five to shoot. Two. Deadlock. Five-second shot clock. Four to shoot. Shot clock 4. To shoot. Five to shoot. Foul, yellow. Yellow. 7 minutes. 5 to shoot. 2. Four. Five to shoot. Saro. Traveling. Six minutes. Five to shoot. Five to shoot. Five to shoot. Five, 3. Time out. Black. Ba. Playtime. Basket goes! Five more. Five all. 5 minutes. Shot clock 5. To shoot. Oh, may foul, may foul. Black foul. Third team fouls. Third. Four minutes. Change favor. Basket.
All right, I would like also to acknowledge our city director. Alam ko
7-6.
kinakabahan na yun nanonood sa Amerika. Coach Chano Morano. Shout out daw kay Michelle Latumbo. Inaabangan niya daw si tugang niyang si Mark Curioso.
8-2, 8-6. Foul block. Fourth. Five to shoot. Basket man. 9-7. Ten, 7. 2. 10-9. 5 to shoot. Foul block. Five to shoot. Three. 3 seconds. Delaying the game. Referee. Shot clock. 3. 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Six. £16. Deadlock. Last 1 minute 45 seconds. 2. Change favor. Yellow. 1 minute 36 seconds.
Ang ganda ng laban, lamang ng yellow. Naga City Warriors. Another 3. No good.
1 minute 28 seconds. Deadlock.
Tabla. Naga City
Five to
Warriors
shoot.
ball. Butor.
Go!
What a move! Alright. Umiinit ang laban.
5, 2,
Alright, number
1
3.
minute. Basket!
May kasama pang foul!
Deadlock! Deadlock! 55 seconds!
Once again, shoutout po sa mga nanonood ng live natin. Maraming salamat, IMJ Interactive. For 3.
45 seconds!
Naga City, nice pass. No good.
35 seconds!
Tabla mga kabarangay. Tingnan
5
natin
to
kung sinong
shoot.
lalamang. For 2, no good.
12. Shot clock. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Free throw. 2 shots. Penalty.
Alright, penalty, 19
19
seconds.
17 foul. 19 seconds. 7.
Once again, shout out to Coach Chano Morano ng California and Obet Sanchez of Canada, our commissioner of
19
PPL.
seconds. 14-13. Yellow. Fifteen. 6 seconds shot clock. 6.
Bola ng yellow, Naga City Warriors. Mojo Put House. Kaya yan.
5.
Fires. No good. Rebound by Mojo Put House. End of the game! And our champion,
Warriors.
Naga City Warriors. Kinabahan si Coach Chano doon Martin Bea. Kinabahan si Coach Chano. Alright, Pops. Congratulations. Pops, good game. Pops. Pops. Good game, Pops. Good game. Alright, so let's give a round of applause once again to our first runner-up, Mojo
Warm up, warm up.
Put House. Pops, dito na kayo. Tatanggap kayo ng trophy. Martin Bea. Inday, bigay natin yung trophy. Andito pa ba si Kylie? Wala na si Kylie. Pahanap po ng first runner-up, Class A Division. Oo. Okay. So, Mojo Put House, sir, dito na po kayo. You will receive the first runner-up trophy. How about a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mojo Put House. Hindi, pawak mo nito. Martin Bea, Wayne, dito na kayo. And of course, once again, Marlon Nazul. Sir, Pops, alam kong gustong-gusto nyo manalo. Binigay nyo yung the best nyo. Pero, bilog ang bola, may mananalong isa. Pops, ano gusto nyo sabihin sa mga kalaro nyo?
Kanila kasi
both teams naman nagbigay ng magandang laro. And thank you ulit sa Barkadahan Basketball League, New Normal, kasi nagkaroon ulit tayo ng panibagong opportunity para pagpawisan ulit. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mojo Puthouse, our first runner-up. Gusto mo bang batiin yung asawa mo?
Oo, ilan sila? Marami sila dyan, oh.
Asawa mo?
Binabati ko pala yung asawa ko.
Yung ex mo?
Yun lang. Hindi ko na matandaan.
Okay, Pops, anong gusto mo sabihin?
Thank you sa kalaban namin ngayong finals. Binigyan kami ng magandang laban. So, ganun talaga, may lucky break. So, that's the game. Binabati ko ang wife ko. Maben.
Baka mali yung pangalan. Sir, ano gusto mo sabihin?
Thank you sa mga nakalaban namin, mga tropa namin. Salamat sa magandang laban. Ay, congrats. Binabati ko yung asawa ko.
Pops, may babatiin kiting asawa.
Wala sana, kaso sinabi mo eh.
Live tayo ngayon. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa mga kabarangay mo?
Kabarangay ko, sorry hindi kami ng gana. Pero at least nilaban mo yung pride ng mga veterano. Next siguro sa susunod na palaro ni Pops, pagbubutihan pa namin. Wala kasi kami practice eh. Pero sasawa ko, binabati ko anak ko at mga supportadores namin.
Okay, tatanggap kayo ng trophy from Inday and Marcus Hul. Pops, congratulations! Okay, once again, Mojo Puthouse, our first runner-up. Sir, maraming salamat. Congratulations. And now, our champion, ladies and gentlemen, for the Class A, the Naga City Warriors! Pops! Joke! Kinabahan ka ba kanina?
Yes.
Yes. Walang Boracay daw, sabi ni Coach Chano. Pangako daw po kasi ng manager nila, pag nag-champion, Coach Chano live to, papupuntahin daw sa Boracay kasama ang Papa Omar's Angels. Tama ba?
Yes po, Omar.
Yes po. Okay. Wayne, bigyan na natin yung kanilang mga awards. Pops, Martin, the Unilever Rexona from Boss Pado. Pops, bigay po namin sa iyo. Pops, congratulations. And of course, Papa Tantan shirt from Jason Abalos. Pasok kayo sa try shot. At from Ali Agtarap, Ballers. Pops, pangarap mong LeBron James. Doon tayo harap, Pops. Doon tayo. Naka-live tayo eh. Pops, anong gusto mo sabihin kay Coach Chano nanonood ngayon?
Salamat sa suporta ni Boss Chano.
Pops, anong gusto mo sabihin sa mga nanonood ng live? Pereya.
Unang-una, syempre, magpapasalamat kami sa bumubuo ng BBL. Pag-uubak na Boss Bon. Thank you. Thank you sa inyo. At sa mga lahat na nanonood, salamat sa inyo.
Pops, message mo sa mga nanonood at sa mga nakaimbahagi nito.
Salamat sa mga teammates ko na binigay lahat. And salamat sa mga sumuporta sa Palika. And salamat sa mga nanood, lalo na sa family ko. Sila Tito, mga barkada ko, mga taga Carolina. Salamat.
Inday, from Weed Ones, Joshua Ayo, kinumpleto. May short na kayo. And of course, our champion, Naga City Warriors, once again, Angels. Uy, magtrabaho kayo. Bigyan niyo yung trophy. Tabihan niyo yung mga champions natin. Doon kayo sa gitna. Alright. Rochelle, pakitanggal ng face mask. Okay. Pereya, medyo tabi-tabi ka ng konti. Pops, Pops. Martin Bea. Martin Bea, dito ka. SBP referees. Dito kayo. Pops, tanggalin mo yung 3x3, yung tarpaulin. Mamaya na. So ladies and gentlemen, bigay na natin yung trophy. Our champion, the Naga City Warriors. Pops, congratulations. Pops. And of course, to Boss Solomon Ngo watching right now, happy viewing. To Obet Sanchez from Canada, happy viewing. And our MVP, jersey number 1. Tatanggap siya ng bag from Karim Magalona. Pops, import kick. Pops, Karim Magalona. Ikaw po magtanggap, galing sa iyo yun eh. Wala kasi yung mga sponsors natin. Kari. So we have Raymark Aquino of Waterborne, representative ng import kick. Pops, sino? Jersey number 1, Perea. Angels, tabi kayo sa ating MVP. Ayan. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the Naga City Warriors. Pops, congratulations. Pops, yung tarpaulin, pakitanggal. Okay na yan, Pops. Wala bang palakpakan sa Naga City Warriors? Then after this, malalaman na natin sa Class B kung sino magiging champion natin. Wayne, sama ka na dito. Power sponsor na nakikita natin, maraming salamat. Pocari Sweat, thank you so much. Martin Bea, thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, Class B Division, let's begin the game. Maraming salamat, Pocari Sweat, Ngo and Sons, Publico, Bite Swag, JCI Pili Sarog, Donya Osan Catering Services, Lois Sabon, Papa Tantan, Joshua Elijah Water Refilling Station, Sanchez Tailoring, Rylinet, Mikoy's Pizza, Tri-Shot, Pilex Naga, 30LS, Astig Shop, Unilever, and the Two Dragons by my friend from London, Rachel Villanueva, and of course, Minds That Matter, Ngo and Sons Trading, and Federated Distributor Incorporated.
Black. Foul, black. Yellow. Deadlock, 1. Foul, yellow. Second. Black ball.
Sa mga kakarating lang, live tayo ngayon sa IMJ Interactive. Manood po kayo. Pakishare po ng kanilang link. And invite our friends to watch the championship game live here at the Tri-Shot. This is the first 3x3 BBL New Normal Basketball League.
Five to shoot. Three, 1. Ten to shoot. 2. Deadlock. 5 to shoot. Foul, yellow. Tulo. Third team foul. Four, 3. 5 to shoot. 1. Tabla. 7 minutes. Five to shoot. Oh, change favor. 5-4. 5 to shoot. Traveling. Time out, yellow. foul block. Deadlock. Six, 5, yellow. Five to shoot. Berapa? Empat, yellow. Three, ay 2, 8, 8, 5. Five to shoot. Basket. 9-5, 9-5. 9-5. Time out. Black. Paparehas na. Ten, 5. 5 to shoot. 10-6. Kabungog. Two. 12-6.
Two minutes and 42 seconds. 2 points.
2. 12, 8.
Sa mga kakarating lang, live tayo ngayon. Maraming salamat IMJ Sports. Shout out to our sponsor Rachel Villanueva all the way from London. Mark Anthony Celtes ng PhilX Naga.
6 team fouls. With jumpers.
Bukhari Sweat, maraming salamat.
UF, Dua, may jumpers.
Unilever, maraming salamat. Papa Tantan, maraming salamat. Publiko, maraming salamat. JCI Pilesarog, maraming salamat.
2 free throws.
Sanchez Tailoring, maraming salamat.
Eight. Dua. 10-14. Dua. 16-10. One minute, 46 seconds. Sixteen, 11. 5 to shoot. 17-11. Two. 19. 1 minute 15. Oh, yan na. Lock. 1 minute.
Last 2 points. And we'll be having our champion for the Class B. Ladies and gentlemen,
Bungog
from Team Kabungog, headed by their coach, Tupe Espinosa, our champion for the Class B. How about a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? May I request the team Chick Magnet. Inday, Chick Magnet. To receive their first runner-up trophy. So our second runner-up is Chick Magnet, tama? Waterborne. May I request the Waterborne. Inday, Waterborne. For the second runner-up, Kylie, may you give me the Waterborne. Waterborne, Team Waterborne. Boss Kere Magalona, congratulations and thank you sa suporta sa Waterborne. Papa Omar's Angels, Pops, Sir, ano yung masasabi nyo at second runner-up?
Maganda naman talaga yung mga laban eh. Mga competitor naman lahat. Yun lang, ginawa lang namin yung mga kaya namin. Kaya at the same time, nakaabot kami dito sa second place.
May babatiin po ba kayo?
Binabati ko lang lahat ng Waterborne. Mabuhay tayo lahat.
Pops.
Si Boss GM, Jojo Luwansing, Boss, para sa ito.
Pops, may gusto ka ba sabihin?
Yun lang, thank you sa napagandang palarong itong hinawakan mo. Thank you kasi after 2 years nakapaglaro ulit kami at sa ganito pang liga na napakaganda and organized talaga. Yun, thank you kay GM Jojo Luwansing, thank you. Go Waterborne!
Alright, once again ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up, mabuhay, Waterborne! Post ka rin, gusto kang sabihin? Okay na tayo, so a round of applause ladies and gentlemen to the Waterborne! Salamat pala sa ating medics, the Rapid Rescue Assistant, Peacekeeping, Intelligence, Pops. Sa mga brother natin sa Triskelion, may gusto ka ba sabihin? Sige na, shoutout nyo kasi andito rin naman kayo. Say hi to them.
Thank you po sa tiwala nindo sa basketball.
Pops, anong masasabi mo? Wala man lang na-injured.
Sayang.
Mabuti ang Diyos. Walang na-injured, Pops. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Ma'am, thank you so much. Alright, so our first runner-up, Inday, goes to the Chick Magnet. May request from the Chick Magnet, you will receive trophy. Angels, 40 up ata yan. Class B, Class B. Martin Bea. Batiin ko lang pala, Sanchez Tailoring. Pasalamatan natin yung gumawa ng jersey nyo. Pops, anong gusto mo sabihin kay Obet? Nanunood from Canada.
Bonus!
Oo, bonus naman dyan. Sa mga gusto magpatahi ng uniform, Pops, maraming salamat. Pops, mabuhay ka. Maclanzuela. Angels. And may request the owner of PLX Naga, Mark Anthony Soltes, to join us. To give the award, Pops. Sama ka sa mga Angels. Tower namin to sa Nabuan National High School. Martin Bea, anong gusto mo sabihin na muntikan pa mag-champion ang Chick Magnet? Message mo lang.
Ay sayang. Bawi na lang sa sunod na 3-on-3. Chick Magnet mangyayari, man.
So lalaban pa rin next year, next season. Pops, message.
Thank you pala, Pops, sa palaro mo tsaka sa teammates ko. Thank you tsaka kay Boss Martin. Thank you din. Thank you.
Okay, Pops. Bilang aming one of the sponsor, any message po sa mga players natin? Mark Anthony Soltes of PLX Naga.
Bro, thank you very much. So, napaka-importante ng sportsmanship. Yun yung kailangan natin dito. So, isa rin akong player dati. So, the best yun na walang na-injury, walang personalan. Normal naman yung physical sa laro eh. Importante enjoy nyo lang laro para build up yung teamwork. That's all. Thank you very much.
So, sino magpipicture? Pops? Papicture tayo? Hindi. Magpipicture tayo. Okay. Coach Tupe. Pasalamatan at palapakan po natin Team Chick Magnet. Maraming salamat. Send ko na lang sa'yo. Palapakan natin mga kaibigan. Dami na tuloy. And now, isa pa. Maraming salamat, Chick Magnet. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. And our champion for the Class B, let's welcome Team Kapungog! Palapakan natin, Pops. Congratulations. Coach, dito kayo. Tabi kayo sa Angels. Pops, tulungan mo ka dito, Pops. Martin. Lahat sila tatanggap ng product from Unilever. Angels, bigay niyo po isa-isa. So ladies and gentlemen, our champion. Pass, hawak niyo yung tarpaulin. And Coach Tupe. Coach Tupe, ano yung masasabi mo at nung nag-chat ka sa akin, sabi mo magpapapawis lang kayo. Pero di ko akalain kayo magji-champion.
Unang-una sa lahat, salamat sa mga organizers ng event. Thank you. Thank you God kasi bukas na ulit yung basketball dito sa Naga City. And salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin. Yung team ko talagang laban lang, puso lang. Kahit mga bata pa, talagang laban lang ng laban. Kahit nahirapan, nasasaktan na. Sanay kasi yan sa mga So salamat ulit sa mga organizers. Salamat sa mga kabungog ta dyan. Shout out sa Gabos na Kabungog. Alright. Congrats sa Toya. Champion kita.
Bilang player, Pops, anong masasabi mo at sobrang daming mabibigat na kalaban? Ano ba yung sikreto? At kayo ang nag-champion sa kauna-unahang 3x3 BBL.
So first of all, salamat pala sa mga nagsuporta from day one, mga taga-Libmanan, mga amigo dyan, tas mga taga-USI, mga player kang USI, thank you. So ang sekreto mo lang, di lang ako mag-inom, yan lang. Dikit na sakripisyo.
So aasahan ba namin pag may season 2, maglalaban pa kayo?
Siyempre naman po, hindi ka magpapahuli.
Batiin mo yung girlfriend mo.
Shoutout kay Sheena Clotario.
Andito ba?
Wala po.
Mahal ka?
Siyempre naman.
Paps, message mo sa lahat.
Unang-una po, binabati ko sila mama, si papa, si tito nanonood sa laro namin. Maraming salamat pala kay Girls to be. Shoutout sa mga taga-Poblacion Norte, Barcelona, Sorsogon. Yun lang po.
Paps, message mo.
Thank you sa mga sumuporta sa amin, mga tropa namin pumunta dito. Thank you. At saka kay Coach Tupi, thank you.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Inday Orsena, give the trophy for our champion, Kabungog! Palapakan po natin. And our MVP, jersey number, Inday, jersey number 3. Pops, meron ka from Astig Shop. Accessories, panglaro, pampapawis. Ano gusto mo sabihin? Ikaw yung MVP sa Class B.
Thank you po, lalo na kay God. Thank you.
Palapakan po natin once again, Class B champion, Kabungog! Maraming salamat. And yesterday, nagkaroon na kami ng championship game para po sa 40 up. And we have our champion, the Team Soben. From Team Soben, we have the Tower Daliba. Paps! Kylie, bigay natin yung championship sa trophy ng Paps, congratulations. Dito tayo. Nakikinig sa atin si Boss Solomon Ngo. Tangkad mo na. Kylie, sabihan mo nga ako. Angels, dito kayo. You will receive the champion trophy of 40 up. Anong gusto mo sabihin sa mga nanonood ngayon at sa Team Soben? Padi Soben Ngo and Sons. Live tayo ngayon. Sila Boss Solomon Ngo nanonood. What do you want to say to them?
Unang-una, maraming salamat doon sa bossing namin, si Boss Moon. Saka doon sa organizer nito, doon sa mga referee, doon sa mga nakakalaban namin. Saka doon sa mga ka-teammate ko, maraming salamat. Ako lang mag-isa kasi nasa Erika sila.
Tapos, product from Rexona. Pops, champion and first runner-up, pinag-isa natin. Kasi kayo lang naman. Pops, pawak na lang. Congratulations. Wala na, picture na lang. Hinday! Hinday! Gab! Kapit kayo ba? Once again, to our champion, Kylie, before we end our program, live tayo ngayon, what do you want to say for a successful first BBL 3x3 in cooperation with the Sangguniang Kabataan and of course the City of Naga? Any message before we end our program?
Thank you, Papa Omar. Our first attempt po na magbalik sa sports. Saro na ni sa dakulang liga mo niya na taon. May pahabol pa kita bago magtapos ng taon. I would just like to say thank you for all the organizers, syempre the SBP, and of course the 3-on-3 BBL organizers po. Papa Omar, of course, and to all our sponsors, because if not because of you, this event will not be possible. And then for the players also, thank you for joining us, and asahan ninyo na next year we will have more tournaments for you all. So yan, practice na tayo. Yan, unti-unti na tayong bumabalik sa normal. So next year, yan, abangan ninyo maraming tournaments na nag-aantay para sa inyo.
So once again, Kylie Tripolca, maraming salamat. Extended tayo sa try shot. Maraming salamat kay Boss Alvin Lo. To Engineer Solomon Ngao, maraming salamat. To Coach Chano, our City Director. To my co-commissioner Roberto Sanchez all the way from Canada. To our PIBA Commissioner Eman Paraon, maraming salamat. At sa mga hindi ko po nababanggit pampasalamatan, thank you so much. Inday Orsena, Martin Bea, to the all referees of SBP Bicol, thank you so much. And of course, sa ating IMJ Production, maraming salamat. And of course, sa ating medic, Rapid, Triskelion Rapid, maraming salamat. So, thank you, Lord. And may the good Lord bless us all as we continue life struggle. So once again, this is the first 3x3 BBL live here at TriSat. Mabuhay po tayo, and may the good Lord bless us all as we continue life struggle. Happy New Year at maraming salamat. This is Papa Omar. Magandang gabi sa lahat.